What's up, everybody? Dirt Posey coming at you with another YouTube video. Been a while.
How you ass?
And then there's Carter. Today, me and Carter is on an adventure getting nature walks done.
There's a grave somewhere up here.
Looking for a grave, boys. Carter, come hold the phone so I can get a dip, bruh.
Oh yeah.
A dip, bruh.
I got a better idea. Go like this. Okay.
Oh, in the trees.
Sexalicious.
Will it hold though? I don't want my phone to break on a rock.
We'll go right here. Okay.
Don't break my phone.
Mm.
It's not in a case.
Mm.
There's a branch in the way.
You just go like this. You go, hey, sons and daughters.
Can't see me. There's a branch in the way.
You fucking rotator. Boom. Sons and
Rotation.
dicks. Oh shit. Yeah.
Get us a dip of Copenhagen long cut.
Motherfucker. I should have cracked this before we started the video.
That's what I did. Oh yeah.
If it works, it works.
Good old pinch.
Just go ahead and continue to dip the video without me.
Alright. While Carter's having malfunctions.
I just cut my fingernails.
It's been a while.
Motherfucker.
Give me that.
You just fucking.
No, give me.
Sorry, I had an orgasm. Yeah, we can't. I don't think we should post this one. I don't think we should post
Why?
this one. Orgasms.
Be fine. So the reason why I hadn't posted in a while is because nobody wants to watch them anymore.
I watch them every day, Jerry.
But once we start getting more people to watch them again, me and Carter start doing more stuff like this. So, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, cowboy.
Exploring with JP and KA. Here we go.
Alright. So we're in the wilderness. We're hunting a great grave that's supposedly up here. Why are you running so fast? Do you really have to break everything you see? That was a good branch. What'd you find there, Carter?
I don't know.
Alright, keep on nature walking. It's a good branch. Oh.
It's not easy. It's too fast, huh?
No. I'm gonna stroke out and die. Oh. Tell Karen that I loved her. Where are you taking us? Oh boy. I got shit in my shirt. They got a soda pop can in the middle of nowhere. What the? Good treehouse area. Make love with it. Carter, is it necessary for you to break shit? Sexalicious. Where the hell are you taking us? Carter, you might have to go without me. I don't think I can make it. Dude, I gotta really pee. Where the hell are you going? Hang on. Sorry, everybody. It's been a while. A phone? A bone? A bone to what? There's a bone? There's a bone. There's a bone. Tell the people what you saw. Let's go investigate. Investigator Posey at the mission. Yeah.
There's a bone.
There's a bone. There's a bone. People.
There's a bone.
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 That's Kerr's fucking banquet.
Kerr's fucking banquet. It's a bone though. You need a bone over you no square. Yeah.
Right ass.
Alright, where are we going now?
Yonder ways.
This crazy motherfucker's gonna get us lost. Where are we? We're by a cabin.
There's an old cabin out in the woods. Go investigate.
No, you don't go messing around with cabin in the woods. You ain't never watched a scary movie before? Big old rock up there, y'all see that? It's a boulder. It's a boulder. No, not a boner, a boulder. A boulder. No. Kinky. Found a rock. And we found Carter. Whew. It's a lot of walking for fat people. Now, let me tell you how it is. The only thing that's keeping me going, so snuffing my lip. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Carter, you dropped your hat. Carter, I don't think there's a grave up here.
There is. It's been like 5 years since I've been up here.
Tell people the history on this grave.
I don't know that for.
Tell us how you wandered upon it.
Well, back in the day when I was a young and skinny, didn't have beard yet, we were, me and my grandfather, hiking up in them here woods, alright?
Touching each other?
No, Jerry! Fucking bitch. Never mind, I'm not talking about it anymore.
Continue.
We're up here and we're hiking looking for deer antlers. And out of nowhere, we saw this rock laying flat on the ground. We stumbled upon it. I'm sorry, I actually tripped and hit my face on it. And got the name on it, but it had letters engraved in it. It had a dead date over this way and a birth date. My grandpa said it was a dog, but came back up here the day after, searched the name, and it was a person. I don't know if it was male or female, but it was a person. So, today, we're going to go find this hoe.
Well, we better hurry up. We're running on 12 minutes already. Whoa. That's a road.
It's a trail.
Trail to what?
You want to find out?
Let's cast a gander on it.
Gotta break it down a little bit. Oh, fuck.
Alright, now where? Whew.
Did it get colder to you?
No, it's getting hotter.
I think it got colder.
Oh! I just got the shit scared out of me, boys and girls.
There's something up in these woods.
Something dangerous. I mean dangerous. But we're gonna find it. Here, Boogie, 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 Boogie Man. I want to do dirty things to you. Carter, you see him?
Let's not go down that way.
Why?
Go down this way.
You scared to go down that way?
A little bit.
Why? Goat man got you? Goat man over there or what? The chupacabra? Alright, keep on going. Why are you getting off trail? Where are you going now? Well, folks, I think I'm going to end it here. Y'all have a great day. Jerry Posey, I'll catch you on the long run.